Welcome back to my channel, everyone. 3 Tips here. And I know I said I'd never do it again, but I've got all this platinum that I've bought over the years, and I spent the time, took all the diamonds out of everything, got those in here, and so what we're going to do now is try to do a refining on this stuff. I know I said I'd never do it again, but I don't know what else to do with it. So we're going to go ahead and get this all squared away. That one there says 10% iridium and 90% platinum. And so what we'll do is get all set up and try to process this platinum in a refining video. First thing I'm going to do is prove all this platinum by heating it up to redness and then allowing it to cool off. If it's platinum, then it won't, you won't even be able to tell the flame was on it. There, as you can see, can't even tell that was heated by the flame, and that's a unique property of platinum group metals. So this was platinum. All these pieces over here are tested to be platinum. It did not melt when I applied that torch to them, but all these pieces over here, see how that started to melt? This one melted. Platinum won't do that because the melt temperature is too high. So all these pieces, I believe, are gold, white gold, and all this is going to be platinum. Little piece here. Let me just check this one. That's melting. No way I'd be able to get a piece of platinum to melt with just this matte gas torch. And this piece has got a little bit of discoloration. I don't think that's, I think that's going to be platinum. And this piece had some discoloration, might have just been dirt in the settings. Okay, I'm satisfied that's platinum. Here goes nothing. I'm going to send this ring through. I'll flatten it out a little more and keep going until I got all the pieces nice and thin so that they'll go into solution better in our Aqua Regia. got all the platinum thinned out with our rolling machine, except for these few pieces here. Just gonna have to let them go in like they are. I couldn't get them to pass through the rollers. Now what I'll do is I'll cut these into little strips. I will use the needle nose pliers and give these a twist so that they don't set flat on the bottom of our reaction vessel. I'm going to get a weight on this material now. I found this straggler over there. So we'll add this in. We got 33.3 grams of scrap iridium jewelry. I'm adding the platinum to the melt dish here. And what we'll do is heat this to redness one more time with a torch. Hit this with the torch one more time, get it really hot, just make sure there's nothing in there that's going to melt. Okay, I'm satisfied. I didn't see anything in here trying to melt. Got all platinum in here now. I'm going to go ahead and charge up our reaction vessel here with this platinum. going to drop in a stir bar. I've got my submersible pump. My submersible pump is providing water to the condenser. I got a return line up here. Comes back down and into the bucket. Let's go ahead and turn the power on over here. See if we got a flow. Here we go. Look at that. We got water flow established through the condenser. I'm going to put sand around the reaction vessel here. Measuring out half a liter of hydrochloric acid. I'm going to add some heat and turn the stir bar on. Adding nitric acid to my addition funnel. Start trickling in a little bit of nitric acid to form Aqua Regia in here. Just a few drips. I've adjusted the nitric acid delivery to about 1 drip per second. Now we're going to see if we can put some of this platinum in solution. I'm going to add some ice to my reservoir to keep everything nice and cool. Okay, you can see we're starting to put some of that metal in solution. I'm just going to get out of here and let this react, and we'll add a little bit more hydrochloric acid if it gets dehydrated. Let's see if we can put this platinum in solution. Stir bars and froze up. Let me adjust that. See if I can get some motion there. There we go. I'm going to add some fresh hydrochloric acid.
going to add a little bit more hydrochloric acid. And it's getting late. I think what we may have to do here is wrap this up. I'm going to call this part 1 of the Platinum Jewelry refining series of videos, adding this hydrochloric acid. And I think what we'll do is I'll just sit here and let this reflux until all those fumes clear up in there. I got plenty of ice in my condenser. And we'll just let this boil and reflux till we get these fumes to clear up. This will conclude part 1 of the Platinum Scrap Jewelry refining series of videos. Thank you for watching.